going on, Cam Fam? How you guys doing? Hopefully you guys are doing well. I just wanted to pop on and tell you guys that me and Kimmy are home from the hospital. I know you guys saw the update video where I said that we were at the hospital and, you know, Kimmy was in the labor and delivery room and everything like that. So in that video, I mentioned that there is one video that I had recorded and filmed before that this whole last week took place, and I just finished editing that, which is this video that you're about to see. So I just wanted to tell you guys that this video will be the last one for a little bit, and I'm hoping you guys understand because I'm gonna have to take a step back to help with family and obviously take care of the little one. He is here, happy, safe, and healthy. I'll obviously throw some pictures up for you guys on my social media later on. So if you guys want to follow me, go follow me on Instagram and Facebook and, you know, all the other fun social media stuff. But yeah, I am going to be taking a step back, as much as I hate to say that and as much as I hate to do that. But, you know, it's for family. Family comes first, as I'm sure you all guys know. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video, and, you know, be sure to go ham on the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And for all updates, you know, for while I'm gone, be sure to follow me, and you guys can see, you know, all the beautiful pictures of our beautiful baby boy that's here. So that's all I have for you guys. So let's roll with the video. Love you guys. What is going on, you guys? How are y'all doing? Hopefully you guys are doing well. And today is a very special video because we got two really dope Evos that I'm doing a video with. We got Max Evo that you guys have seen in a lot of my videos, mainly at Cars and Coffee. Go give him a check out at Mac_219 on Instagram. And then we got the other Evo right there. That's an Evo 8 or 9. I can't tell. I don't know the difference between the two. But that one is Tyler's. I'll pop his Instagram up as well. But they're both pushing insanely amount of horsepower. And today we get to do a video with probably both of them. Maybe just Max. I don't know. But we'll see. This one is a Evo X, as you guys can tell. And I will have Mac come over here and talk about his car. All right, you guys. So this is the owner, Mac. Mac, what's the year of your car and what's done to it? How long have you had it? And give the audience the juice.
Yeah, so it's fully built Evo 10. So it's sleeved, built head, built bottom end, ETS, basically ETS everything. So ETS intercooler turbo kit. It's with a Precision 6266. Most of these cars, it's normally a 2 liter, so 2.0. It is a 4B11. It's not It's not a 4G63 like the Evo, you know, 7 through 9. It's a 4B11 2.0. But mine is big board. So most people, when they build their Evos, it's either, you know, they'll usually do a built 2.0 or a 2.2. The difference between my 2.2 liter and different 2.2 liters is it's a big bore.
Okay.
So it's a 90 millimeter, I believe. I think it's 89 or 90, one of the two. Still stock crank, fully stock transmission. I know a lot of people ask me, you know, when I say built, I just really, you know, the motor's built.
Right.
But it's a bone stock transmission, bone stock, you know, transfer case, all that good stuff. Makes about 750 horsepower. Runs on E85 flex fuel, so if I want to put pump gas in it, I can. It does have a Motec M150, so, you know, it has all the cool features.
Right.
You know, rolling anti-lag, 2-step, launch control, you know, a whole bunch of other safeties and stuff.
And he does throw flames, by the way. If you guys missed the New Year's meet, I'll pop up Mac leaving and, you know, giving us all the flames. Rip to my microphone! But yeah, you can throw flames too.
Mm-hmm. Yep, it does shoot flames. It is on a small wheel, or small brake kit, sorry. So if you go over here, most Evos, or every Evo, you'll see they normally have Brembos, the red Brembo brakes. So I have a small brake kit in the front and the rear. The reason for that is so I can fit 15-inch wheels on the car. Okay. You know, so for drag racing and stuff, it's lighter and smaller wheelbase, you know, obviously helps too.
Right.
It's kind of funny though, because when people look at the brakes, you know, they're very, very tiny, especially the rears. The rears are, I mean, kind of makes you wonder how you can stop on something as small as calipers like that, basically.
Right.
But yeah, no, that's it. It's pretty simple. You know, yeah, that's about it.
Sweet, sweet, awesome. And we got Tyler over there making love to the cone. That's awesome. Well, let's give the people, you know, a flyby real quick, and we'll hit the road and we'll have some fun.
Yeah.
So tell us about what you got going on in here. What is this little thing?
So, e-brake does not work. So this, with the small brake kit, you lose the anti-lock braking system function, so no more ABS basically. So what English did is we fabbed up, you know, some brake lines and stuff, and basically we made a hydro brake. So when I go and drag race, all I have to do is pull this back to stage the car and just let it go, and it makes it way easier, you know, rather than just kind of pulling this and pressing that button. So you literally just pull it and go.
Wow.
So that's another fun one. You know, I have my 2 gauges here, so you know, it literally can read anything and everything, all the sensors, all the good stuff, basically. So,
sweet.
Yeah.
Yeah, he was saying if I wanted to get any audio clips in the car, we'd have to do it before he starts the car because it is pretty loud. So
pretty noisy.
We'll see what we can do. All right, so he's gonna do a first gear pull. Let's see what he's got.
I fucked up.
Wow, that's crazy because your hood exit exhaust, you can see the fumes coming up on the windshield.
Yeah.
That is crazy. Does that ever like distract your vision at all, or are you just used to it?
So not for me because you know, it's not in front of me, but you know, if I were to have passengers or something, it would definitely.
I'll have him do that and you guys can see what I'm talking about, but that's just crazy.
But it's a lot cooler at night because at night you can actually see the flames too.
Wow. You got a nice Audi TT right there.
That'll look good.
Think you could beat that Audi TT Mac? I don't know.
I don't know. It looks kind of fast.
G-forces you feel when you did that is just amazing. How many G's do you think you pull? About 2?
Oh, I don't know. I don't really know G's, to be honest, but I mean, you definitely puts you back in the
Oh,
seat.
for sure. I always ask people this question too. Like when you get on it as a driver, I'm assuming that feeling never gets old for you.
No, it doesn't. It definitely doesn't.
That's so crazy. So this time he's gonna do a 2nd gear pull with rolling anti-lag, so that'll be pretty cool.
Hopefully I can shift this time.
And I'll show you guys the fumes that hit the windshield too. Watch this. Wow. And you guys saw my camera jerk brag. That was just insane. And those burbles just sound so crisp too. I don't know if you guys can see exhaust fumes in the video coming from the exhaust, but that's just, wow.
It's
You know,
a fun car.
I've always had a love for Evos. They're just such dope cars when they're built right, and I just love the Evo platform.
I mean, I think that's just it. Is, you know, you have to, you know, if you want to push a lot of power and stuff. And I'm still new. You know, I'm still very much so new to, you know, having a built car. This is my first fully built car, so I mean, it's a lot to learn, but it's also a lot of money.
Right.
You know, it's a lot of people want to get, you know, I want 1,000 horsepower build and stuff, but you know, in the short time that I've had this car, you know, I take it to English, and you know, those guys they'll tell you what you want to hear, basically. I mean, it's one of those things where if you want to build a car, you should do it the right way.
Right.
You know, I've had this car for 4 years, and I've had it at 350 wheel horsepower, 360, 500, and now what it's at now. But you know, through that whole process, you know, I kind of learned and was told by them, you know, if you want to build it, you got to build it right. You can't chip out.
And it has to be reliable.
Exactly. Right. So it's finding that you know, the middle ground of, you know, high horsepower where it's still fun. You can drive it on the street, take it to Cars and Coffee, you know, and, you know, take it wherever basically and still have fun and not have any issues every time you do a pull.
Right.
So, I mean, especially with Evos, you kind of pay to play, especially like in the high horsepower areas and stuff. You're definitely, it gets to a point where, you know, you're kind of fighting that battle of longevity and power, basically.
Right,
so,
exactly.
But yeah.
That's just crazy. So, man, let me ask you something. What's the fastest car that you've raced or had fun with against? That you've had a pretty good run against?
I would say that car.
That Tyler's car?
It's way faster than my car. But,
really?
You know, I've known Tyler for a good few years now, and you know, he's always been faster, and it was always my goal to be faster than him, which, I mean, at this point it's not going to happen, but, you know, I've raced a lot of cars, but that's probably one of the most fun ones that I've raced.
So besides his, what other cars have you had fun with?
I've raced an RS3. That was pretty fun. I'm not sure what was done to it. I beat that one. I haven't raced a GTR. I've wanted to race a GTR, and I've not raced a GTR yet.
I bet you'd be neck and neck with the GTR.
It would be fun. It would definitely be fun. But yeah, I mean, you know, it's kind of funny though, because like, I mean, I don't know if it's the wheels that are on the car or the hood exit, whatever it is, but like a lot of people don't want to race me. And
they think you're intimidating with the hood exit.
Yeah, and I mean, I love racing. Like, it doesn't matter if it's somebody that's way higher in horsepower or whatever it is.
It's all about the experience.
Yeah,
and the
exactly.
fun.
It's all about the experience.
Yeah. And then we have Tyler's Evo 8 or Evo 9? Evo 9. Evo 9. And he is pushing over 900 horsepower. It's built by English Racing. It is has full ETS front mounts and everything like that. It is a he said it's a 2.2 liter. So his car is experiencing some boost cut right now. So once he gets his car up and running perfectly good, we will be doing a video with his. But I just wanted to get his car in the video along with Max, because, you know, they're both Evos. So, but yeah, this thing is super, super gorgeous. Like I said, over 900 horsepower, which is going to be crazy for a video. Race Tech bucket seat, that is super crazy. Yeah, fat tires as well. And I think I mentioned to you guys that it is on Motec, so that's super sick. That is going to do it for the video. I'm sorry that it was such a very short video, but hopefully you guys still enjoyed it. And with that being said, hopefully you guys, you know, subscribe and like, and, you know, look out for more future content. So I won't prolong this outro anymore. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next video. So peace. We got Tyler over there making love to the cone.